What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and right now I'm on a report page for one of my printable products, and I'm going to explain to you how to make money online in the holidays, during the holidays I should say, with different types of products. Now, the other day I made a video on how to profit online with Christmas sweaters, ugly sweaters. You can check out the video below, or at the top right of this video there'll be a card for that. You can check it out. But I want to talk about how to make money with printables during the holiday season. Okay, and also if you're interested about learning how to make money online with printables, then I urge you to check out the link below and check out this review for Puzzle Book Mastery. I've reopened it, and the bonuses for Puzzle Book Mastery I've attached to it, so you're gonna want to check that out if you're interested in making money online with printables. Okay, so let's get on with this case study. So yeah, $100 isn't much at all, okay? But the thing about it is, you know, if I scroll up here, you can see here, this spans from 2018 to 2019, right? Basically 1 year. I created this product 1 year ago. I want to show it to you right now. This is a product I created, okay? Now, the keyword traffic for this particular product isn't very great. Isn't very much at all, and it's only specific, as you can see in this report, during the Christmas times, right? So you see in December, last December, I made $22 somewhere late November, and I made another $45 within the month of December. And maybe someone in Australia or something, bought it during the summer because, well, the summer for them is cold, right? It's winter. So now it's starting back up again. And if you go to Pinterest, I've only sold 9 units within a year. Now, again, you got to think about this as different income streams. This is just one product out of many. Some of these products perform very well. Some of them have made thousands. Some of them, like this little Christmas printable, has made only $100, but it's going to profit for me indefinitely throughout the years, right? As long as people are having baby showers. And if I go to Pinterest and you put in Christmas baby shower, let's put up Christmas baby shower, you can see that right here, and you scroll around, you can see that I have actually several printables of mine. I have a Halloween based one. I got several Christmas ones ranking at the top page. Okay, and this is sending me traffic. Now, not a whole lot of traffic. Some printable products garner more traffic than others because there's more search value. But you want to attack as many as you can. Again, you're not thinking about profiting online with just one product. You want to diversify your different income streams. I also sell software in different niches. I sell, like I mentioned, POD t-shirts, print on demand t-shirts. So, you know, the sky's the limit, and it's very cheap to do. You don't have to actually, you can do it for free. Basically, you can have your printable products on different sites like Amazon. I choose to sell them on my own site, but that's me because I want more control over the platform. But you can do it definitely. People make a full-time living selling their printables or POD products on sites like Etsy and Amazon. So you don't have to do what I'm doing here, okay? But a good traffic source, as you can imagine here, since I'm showing you, is Pinterest. And the longer the keyword, the easier of a time you'll have to dominate the first page. Again, Pinterest is a search engine, okay? And once again, if you want to learn about how to make and sell printables, I have this piece of software that can do it for you automatically, and a bunch of bonuses that you want. And, you know, I cover it all. I give you a ton of case studies, different case studies where I profit online with printables. I give you my templates for Pinterest. It's just, I mean, if you want to learn how to sell printables, you want to learn through me, because I actually, as you can see, I have a lot of experience. And you can check out my YouTube channel as well. I have a ton of videos ranging from profiting online in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, from also selling different other printable products, all kinds of things, and software as well. So you want to check out my channel as well. There's a lot of resources here, okay? So back to the case study at hand. This little Christmas printable here, I made last year. And again, like I mentioned, I didn't make this printable based on what I thought it was a good idea. You never create a product. I don't care if you're creating a t-shirt, an ugly sweater, a printable product, whatever the case is, you should never, okay, never create a product based on what you think is a good idea, okay? Yeah, you might luck out and it might be a huge success, but chances are you don't really know what your audience wants. But don't worry, the good news is we can use tools like my pin keyword finder, and it'll tell you exactly, for example, Japanese sweets. It will tell you exactly what people are looking for. If people are looking for it, that means they want it. Either they need it or they want it, okay? And for example, Japanese sweets wagashi. It's a type of Japanese sweets. Japanese sweets recipes, okay? You know, it really is about meeting your market's demands, okay? Meeting your traffic demands. If they want something and they can't find it, you want to give it to them. That's it. That's what this whole business is. Be it printables, be it physical products, POD products. It's all about giving the people what they want, okay? Don't make it hard on yourself. It's not rocket science. It really is. You want to find a traffic source. That could be YouTube. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. It could be Pinterest. It could be, you know what? It could be plain old Google. Now, I will tell you when it comes to Google, it does take more time because Google is an older search engine and a little bit more sophisticated. Okay. Now, the reason why YouTube is easy to is not as difficult as Google, in my opinion, is because, well, most people don't want to make videos. So the person who makes a video has an easier chance to rank than the person who is making a post, because if you write a post, you're still anonymous, right? And Pinterest is still very new to the search engine game, so you can still get a lot of traffic off of Pinterest, like I show you in a lot of my case studies and in my tutorials. Again, I have my own Pinterest template that I'm going to give you that leads to a lot of my traffic. That's part of the bonuses down here. Now, again, I'm just showing you exactly what I'm doing to profit online, and that you want to, again, diversify your income streams. This is just one niche. I'm in 4, and it can be anything. I sell whatever people are looking for, okay? And you also want to make sure that when you create a product, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can always sell affiliate products. When you create a product, make sure it hits all of your customers' needs. It gives them exactly what you promised, right? You want to save them time, money, and energy. I quit using the word value. Stop. I hate that word. Give them value. It doesn't mean anything. You want to save them time, money, and energy, right? If they buy my printables, I'm going to save them time and money, okay? Because they don't have to think about creating their own games, none of that stuff. Plus, their guests will have fun, okay? If I'm promoting a product, I make sure that product is legit, and then I know that can help my end user, right? I don't care what niche you're in. Really important stuff to remember. So even this tiny little product that's only yielded a little bit over $100. I only sold 9 units. It's going to profit for me indefinitely. Okay, as long as there's Christmas and baby showers, then I'm sure I'll sell some more of these printable baby shower games. Okay, so that's another tip that I want to give you. This, I know, kind of an informal video. Forgive me. Usually I like to use Google Slides to be more formal and everything, but you want to cross keyword. I don't know if that's the best way to articulate this, but for example, people who love dogs, people who love coffee. Okay, maybe you can make, for example, a POD t-shirt on TeePublic, where your t-shirt has to do with something about dogs and coffee, right? And you can, let's see if we can find a keyword for that. I'm sure there is. I know it sounds like madness, but Let's see. Oh, maybe not. Nope, it's not yielding anything. Coffee lovers. Okay, coffee lovers gift basket, coffee lover biscuit gift basket ideas. Okay, well, coffee lovers quotes. Okay, now this is a good idea. I guess my dog and coffee idea is ridiculous. And that's why you should never create a product based on what you think is a good idea. So coffee lovers quotes, you can definitely make t-shirts using Canva. Now I've jumped from printables, forgive me, to POD, print on demand products. You can definitely go to Canva but here's the thing with Canva. Canva is a free tool, and this is where all of my printables and all of my POD products are born. They're born right here. I also create my thumbnails here. I have thumbnails for my different YouTube channels. I create advertisements here. This is another popular resource. So yeah, I hope you like it, this little video. And if you want me to reveal more of my case studies, please let me know down below. You can write Christmas, so that'll let me know that I should present more of these case studies to you. And again, if you're interested in making your own printables, puzzle printables that you can sell on Amazon or Etsy or on your own site, and get all my printable bonuses, by all means check out the link below and watch my review to make an informed choice, because this might not be for anybody. Okay, this is not a quick get rich quick scheme or anything like that. It's not a fly by night kind of thing. You do have to put some effort. Okay, passive income is real, but it doesn't come out of nothing. You have to put some work in the beginning, set up your system, just like this situation here, where I created this product a year ago, and it's still, it's making me a little income, and that's a good thing. And I don't have to deal with doing this all over again. I just did it once, and I let my traffic source do its thing. It brings in traffic. It dumps that traffic onto that site, and I fulfill a need. So people buy, okay? So I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think. Ciao.